Dad, can you turn it down some, please? Hi, Carly. Okay, let's look at ALEKS here. I've logged into your ALEKS account. Let me see if I can here's what the screen should look like. Okay, so it looks like you need to complete your knowledge check first. So if you click that complete knowledge check and go through all of the questions, then ALEKS will know where to place you to start your math. After you've finished your knowledge check, let me show you what your screen might look like. Okay, let's see. I'm going to log in as another friend that I know has been doing their quick tables. Okay, once it logs in, it's going to look like this. Okay, once you've finished your knowledge check, you can click continue my path, and that will give you normal problems that will keep pushing you further in your math. But for quick tables, you're going to click these three bars, and then you're going to go down, 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 down to quick tables. You can choose here addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Last week I asked you to do either multiplication or division. Once you click on those, so it says, please select a yellow square to choose a new fact to learn. So you can click on any of the yellow squares to pick a new fact. I think your directions might be a little different once you start out, but it'll look something like this. Okay? So ALEKS will only let you do quick tables for about 20 minutes a day. After you do that, you can go back to your home and keep clicking continue my path. Okay, let me know if you have any other questions about that.